Hi, today we're going to be making pumpkin cookies. And that was the oven just went off. I will fix that. But first I'm going to mix these together. So I have the dry ingredients. This is 2 cups of Mixquick that I'm pouring into the bowl. 1/4 cup of the brown sugar. We had 4 tablespoons of the cereal, of the Cambrooke hot cinnamon cereal. This is one we haven't used before, but it's $16.99 on Cambrooke's website. And then I have 3 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, and mix those up. Combine them, and then we'll move over to the wet stuff. And so that looks good there. Next, we're moving over to the wet stuff. We're going with the butter. And this butter is already softened. Put about 10 seconds in the microwave. Should do it on softening it, otherwise it melts if it goes any further. And the vanilla. And if you can't tell, I'm doubling this recipe. So with the vanilla, it is this is half a teaspoon of the vanilla, and then we have the pumpkin, and we'll add that in once it's a little bit mixed up. I'm gonna and I will post them when they're done. Thanks for your time.